Does your business use steel drums? Do you work with chemicals, oils, paints and inks, foodstuff, waste or cosmetics? A safe and effective way to clean and crush your drums. This is the Rotajet RJ-CNC. Drum Clean and Crush cleans and crushes drums in just one cycle. The RJ-CNC is fitted with a hydraulic piercing wash lance and comes with an easy-to-use HMI control panel. Once the drum is placed inside the drum crusher, apply the safety interlocks and it's ready to go. When you set the controls to the correct setting, the drum will be stabilized and ready for the process to begin. Firstly, the lance will pierce the top of the drum alongside the bottom to allow space for drainage. The wash cycle will start, which is performed using 360 degrees high pressure spray jets until the crush cycle is ready to start. Once the crush cycle is ready to begin, a hydraulic ram will crush the drum, this leaving the final clean, crushed results.